Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Awesome car, guys. This is a one owner with 15,888 actual miles. Car has been in a private collection since day one. We still have the original A title for the car. We have all the original paperwork, including the window sticker, the prep, the little inventory stock card, the paperwork when it was bought brand new. Very, very nice car. Matter of fact, the story goes that this car was actually bought, driven for the first couple of years, and then the gentleman put it away, actually put it in his mother's garage, and supposedly his wife had forgot that they owned it until they sold it. So super cool car, factory black car with factory saddle interior, very rare color combination. You see a lot of the burgundies, you see a lot of the white cars, not easy to find the black cars with the saddle. Again, all original. The only thing I know that's been changed is the battery, but it's even got the original Goodyear Eagle ST tires. So if you plan to drive this car, you're probably going to need to put a set of tires on it. I did not have my guys do really anything to this car but spray wax it. We did not want to detail this car. I mean, you can see a little bug stuff on it. I did not want you to think that we've kind of messed with this car, so that you can see it's actually the original paint. There's still some little water spots in it. A guy could definitely send it to a a paint treatment wax or something, and this thing would just slick up. But I didn't want it to look like that. I want it to be exactly the way we got the car. You can nitpick some. There's some little marks on the stripes. I saw a couple little scratches in the car, but really just the way a 15,000 mile car should be. Car runs and drives excellent. We have not put I think about 3 miles on the car. Air blows ice cold. You can see that dash is in excellent shape. Pretty car. A lot of options. Factory rear defog car, power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. It's got both remote mirrors. First rear deck spoiler. And it's a little scratch here, a little scratch right there. And again, you might be able to rub and wheel that out. I did not want my guys doing that. Factory 15-inch aluminum wheels with, again, the original Goodyear Eagle ST tires. And again, if you are going to drive it, you're going to probably have to put some tires on it. You can see a little fade there to the rear backup lights. That's the only kind of little stuff you can really nitpick on the car. Again, factory aluminum wheels. Pretty car, man. Front disc brakes. Again, it has the original 305 HO engine in it, stock intake, carb, exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes. Does have factory air, it still works. Bone stock original under here, guys. Factory 700 R4 trans. It has the, I think it's a G80 code for the rear end, which I think is a 342. I know it's limited slip. car, I'm going to tell you, there was a time in the 90s, guys, where I had, man, I'm going to say 5 to 10 of these in inventory at all times. And they just sold as fast as we could get them. This and those mid-80s V8 cutlasses. Everybody had to have one. Again, original door tags are still on it. Preferred customer sticker for if you had it in there for service. Power windows, power locks. It has both remote driver and passenger sport mirrors on it. Bucket seats, console, factory sports steering wheel, tilt column, cruise. Hopefully you can see that. They're 15,888 on your odometer there. Factory tach and gauges. Again, remote mirror. That's for the passenger side, rear defog. It's got the Delco AM/FM cassette. Factory, still got the original exhaust on it. Factory rear end with a, like I say, limited slip. Nice car. Factory jack with the spare. You can see all your original paperwork. Here's your original sales receipt, owner's manuals. Here's the salesman that he bought it from. Stock tag. He had the door edge guards added. Again, there's your maintenance book. There's your original window sticker and your original chassis card. There's a power rear deck release here too. Again, we didn't really mess with the bottom, left it alone. Here's the door edge guards, he's got the receipt for it. Pretty cool. Again, this saddle interior, you do not see this color combination very much. Look how nice that dash is. Gauges are nice and clear. Just a little bit of that red sticker there. The trim there. Go, Jordy. Again, dual sport mirrors. 305 HO. Again, air blows ice cold. Give a little rev, Jordan. A little squeak there. Probably hasn't been on in a few years. That is a nice car right there. Gauges all work. Backup lights work. Radio works, again, blower motor works. Power windows and all that stuff works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. So you can see the little Reader Chevrolet in the backlight. That was obviously something that Reader Chevrolet did down in Knoxville. Pretty cool, man. Really cool piece of history. See a couple little marks in it. Have a great day, guys.